After watching this video, you will never throw away potato skin. This potato skin can use to make chips, crisp. So I'll take you through the process and I'll show you what you can do with these. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them into a bowl. Let's put them in a bowl. Add some salt over it. Bit of baking powder. Add some water. By doing this, what I'm doing, I'm just washing this off, taking out the excess dirt off it. Leave it for a couple of minutes. So what I'm gonna do, just state the amount you want. So I'm gonna do that for now, leave the rest for later. Pour some hot water over it. Then I'm gonna let this cook for maybe about half a minute or one. So now all you have to do is just strain this off. Just place a towel down. This is to drain the excess water, because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fry them. So just let it cool down a bit and all the water dried out on the towel. So I have my pan on. Oil in. This is all crispy there. Huh? Look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and get a bowl. In this all-purpose season, bit of salt, paprika, coriander, Italian season, and some thyme, dry thyme. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comments. Thank you for watching.